This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To enable or disable JavaScript, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to where you see the little Vivaldi logo. You want to click on that drop down. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, paying off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the global website permission area, and right down here, JavaScript. By default, JavaScript is enabled. I'm going to click the little drop down. You can enable it or you could block it. You could choose either one. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript in the Vivaldi web browser using Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.